The question is, do AI Keno numbers work? The answer is yes. And here are a few examples of free AI Keno numbers. Subscribe and join the AI Keno community. Let's take a look at this quick video. Yes, this first of winning Keno numbers is the A card, 45, 54, 62, and 71. Be sure and write those AI Keno numbers down. Okay, later in this game, the C card hit a 4 out of 4 as well. Numbers 43, 45, 54, and 71. What are you waiting for? Write all these Keno numbers down. Subscribe and let us know how you do. Okay, ready? Let's move to our AI Keno tip of the day. Okay, the tip of the day is changing the Keno machine algorithm, and one way to do it is to turn the game speed down, then quickly turn it back up again. The next way is to click the machine volume down, then raise it all up again. Subscribe for more AI Keno strategies. Now, let's continue to play our lucky AI Keno numbers in this next bonus round. Already in progress. Okay, easy to remember these changes, speed and volume. Be a winner and copy these AI Keno numbers. Okay, a 4 out of 4 would be a great way to kick off these algorithm changes, wouldn't it? Come on, Keno, let's go. Oh boy. A 4 out of 4 would be really good about now. Ha. Outstanding. Yes, the A card with a 4 out of 4. Very cool. The Keno numbers are 45, 54, 62, and 71. Algorithm changes do work. Okay, subscribe for more AI Keno strategies and free Keno numbers. Beginners, AI Keno strategies, advice, hacks, and free AI Keno numbers in these 2 videos. You need to watch another video. And thanks for watching this video. Okay, see you all next week.